Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera. Let me go back to the standard photo mode because I wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines, so those lines here. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to enter the settings in the left upper corner, so just tap on this gear icon and then scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on Restore. I'm not sure if you can see it because it's yellow, so just tap on Restore, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.